everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in cross-chain interoperability, today specifically with Bitcoin. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Adahandle tweeted, Adahandle for Bitcoin. Easily send and receive BTC on Bitcoin using your Adahandle stored on the Cardano blockchain. Add your Bitcoin address to your handle and personalization to be ready for more wallet integrations, Ada and Bitcoin. This solution with Adahandle is a game changer. Not only can you send and receive ADA more easily, soon you'll also be able to do that with Bitcoin. So the way it works is you purchase an NFT with Adahandle that becomes the name of your wallet. And in addition to your address, you can also use that Adahandle name to send and receive payments. So I personally have an Adahandle. It's called dee-apps because I love decentralized applications. I'm spelling it DEE-apps. So if you want to send me a tip or a thank you for this channel, you can send me ADA that way. I've been using this feature for Cardano for a while, and in my opinion, it works really well. It makes things a lot more seamless. So I'm super glad that we can add Bitcoin as well. So these are the steps to finally add Bitcoin. How to add a BTC address to a handle. Go to the dee-app linked in bio. That's handle.me. Connect a Cardano wallet. Mint or choose a handle. Select personalize. Go to cross-chain. Select Bitcoin. Add your Bitcoin address. Save at checkout with a Cardano TX. Going live in certain wallets soon. So I want to congratulate the Adahandle team for all your hard work so far. You're going to make a lot of our lives a lot easier, and I'm super grateful for more and more cross-chain collaborations. I think the more that Cardano works with Bitcoin, the more liquidity we'll get on chain, and the wider adoption and the more people we'll get on Cardano. This further collaboration with Bitcoin comes after the news of the integration with Bitcoin OS and Cardano. That came out in October 2024. So I'm hoping for more cross-chain interoperability, less crypto tribalism, and hopefully we'll start working more together because in my opinion, we're all gonna make it. We don't need to tout one blockchain over another. I think there's benefits of a bunch of them, and hopefully more people will get into the crypto space once they see the benefits of everyone. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your thoughts on adding Bitcoin to Adahandle, and what other blockchains should also be included? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend who loves this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!